Yeah, so what's up, YouTube? Yesterday I kind of dropped the ball. What I make, bro? What was that, cube steak? Made some cube steak. Some of them weren't kind of done. So my favorite lady resident was complaining. So I brought her this. I make these myself. No, I'm just playing. My girl make these. Y'all follow her on Instagram at Tracy14. You want to get these for your girl for Valentine's Day. 6 strawberries. I think you got a little wine in here. I don't know. Or you can follow me on Instagram at HotJerko14. Yeah. Let me go take you to my baby. Let me see what she says. Let me get on this clock while I'm playing. Hey. They said you was mad at me yesterday. Not you. Can you move, please?
Nah.
Not
I
you.
didn't get my ham turkey sandwich. You burnt out enough my turkey sandwich. Tell them one more time.
Man, what I do?
I was hungry.
Now you tell me what I did. I was bullshit. They said your babe out there was mad at that cube steak you made, so I had to bring you something.
Thank you very much. Oh, look at her. I
Yeah.
see it already.
I had to bring you something.
Oh,
Ooh, it's falling off and
Yeah,
stuff.
I seen it too. I knew what it was.
Well, I ain't cooking today, so.
Well, thank you.
You welcome. I can't believe it. I thought me and you was like that. What's up? Here go my partner right here. Here go my partner right here, man.